Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix display not working in your this Lava smartphone. So how you can fix it. So let's start friends. First friends, you have, if your display sometimes working or sometimes not working, so first you have to go to the settings, then you have to go to apps, see all apps, click on search, and here you have to write Android, or you can just write here, just click on three dots, show system apps, and write here Android, and you have to clear cache this Android settings. Then friends, again you have to go to search and write here Google, and you will see here it is Google Play Services. You have to clear cache this like this, and it will fix your problem. Or you can just restart your device, it will fix your problem. If not, you have to go to your nearby service center. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.